Hello everyone, we are students from St. Paul's Co-Educational College Primary School.
I am Jeremy from 6B.
I am Raymond from 6B.
I am Stanley from 6B.
And I'm Sheldon from 6D.
We are all very excited to share our Marty the Robot project.
First, let's talk about where our inspiration came from.
We thought football was a popular subject.
So we decided to have 4 robots representing different countries dancing to music.
We thought that the Martys looked like the little football players, so we went on with this idea.
We attached small flags to the robots to represent their respective countries.
So you can see which robot is from which country.
Secondly, we will explain our choice of music and background.
We chose a perfect background and music for the theme of football.
For the background, we made a DIY stadium to put the robots on.
For the song, we chose the theme song of FIFA World Cup 2026.
We also used the music as the background.
Finally, we will tell you about the coding process.
We each download the programming app.
So we could work on the code separately.
Then we tested its functionality.
We compared the results to choose the best one,
which was the one we used in the final performance.
This is the end of our presentation.
Thank you.
Yeah.
In the land of sound where the dreams alive, Neymar's ready, can he thrive? Vinicius, Rodrigo, dancing free. Will Brazil bring back the legacy? And Mbappe runs like Scully, a golden crown within his reach. France remembers the past is near. Will he be the king this year? Our world is watching. History changing. One shot, one in the motivation. Heroes are risen. Like it was. Who will stand under the golden sky? One last dance, a final stage. Cristiano fights to turn the page. A kingdom built, the legend stands. And he leads the game with golden age. Letting rises, the prodigy calls. From Euros, the World Cup conquers all. Spain's young God, the chosen one. Will he shine bright?